updated output for ComfyUI StableAudioSampler. And here we've got a couple of any nodes. This is another one of our projects, but I'm basically just using it here because I wanted something quick. And it's outputting random steps, CFG, and sigma min that we've turned into inputs here on our StableAudioSampler. And then, let's say we've got some samba music. But one thing I wanted to show you is that you can ask for, so you can say progressive house lead, 120 BPM in E major. Okay, so what we're doing here is we're just outputting the beats per minute. And why is this? Because so we want 8 seconds, and at 120 beats per minute, that means we get exactly 16 beats in one 8-second clip. That's why you can hear it looping in the background. I just got it playing on the media player in the background, and I've got over here the StableAudioSampler in the temporary folder. That's there. So if I just go back up to output, you can also see here that I've got outputs that are much nicer now. So this is the new save prefix. You can just output to the same file name if you want, or you can output to prefix using any of the variables from here, just between little curly braces to represent them. And it gives you this nice little format, which kind of lets you read stuff because there's no PNG info inside of WAV files. So, all right, enough of that. Let's get to some just seeing what this can do. I was able to make like so the idea here is that we use the same seed. So let's just go random for a second to try and find a good seed for this. That sounds nice. The thing that I found since tinkering with it since the last video is that these three things really matter. You need that steps, CFG scale, and sigma min to search the space of a prompt and a seed in order to really get something good. So in fact, I'll just leave this fixed just to give you an example of what I'm talking about. So seed is fixed, and sigma min is at 1.07, steps is at 276, and CFG scale is at 2452. Let's go turn this up a little bit. So I'm just asking for one instrument, the lead. Okay, that sounds cool. Let's just stay on the seed, same prompt, different 3 dimensions. Let me just queue a couple of these up just to get this video finished out. So it listened to me, it did E major. It's a progressive house lead. Yeah, sounds great. I still have to work on the progress bar thing, but that's coming. Wow, see? So, in the last video I was getting a lot of like random ones where I was playing around with the sampler and I was trying different things, and some of them were just outputting like noise. But I don't think the sampler matters so much in that. It's not the sampler that matters. It's the actual, these 3 settings. Ooh, that's nice. And it's a really cool way to find sounds too. So you just have to randomize. It doesn't matter if you use any node or other nodes that give you random stuff between these, but yeah. So nice. That's like a nice power one. It's all in the same key, and it's all in the same beat, so it loops perfectly at 120 beats per minute for 8 seconds. And yeah, I'll be sharing this workflow. It's already shared in the GitHub, but I'll share it below in a link as well. So you can go ahead and play around with it. Anyway, guys, enjoy and keep making them AI beats. Let's see what this last one does. Nice, nice, nice. Cool. So this is the exit loop. Sweet. And the cool thing is I can go in here and I can say, all right, so give me, let me just refresh this. So there's all of my variations on this same seed, same prompt, a house lead. And remember, I was focusing on just one instrument at a time. And that's kind of like what this is great for. What I've seen what Stable Audio Open is great for is, you know, something like 16 beats long, one instrument, and this even put a little bit of a beat in there. I didn't ask for a beat, but you know, it doesn't always get the thing. Anyway though, yeah, this technology is amazing and I can't wait to see what everybody else is doing with it. Leave some comments if you've got some projects that you're doing with Stable Audio Open, and let me know what you think. And even if you have any errors or something like that, just let me know. I'll provide some links down below where you can report those to. Cool. Well, have a great one, guys.